Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another lesson of today, guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your passing licks we learned in the previous lesson. So if you didn't watch the previous lesson, I'd like you to go and watch it and get a good insight of what we actually did. Okay, have a good insight of what we actually did. Okay, so we did the lesson in the key of D. It's a key of D. That's a D major chord. The D is on sus too. Okay, so before then, if you know that is the first time you come across my video, do wait to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this, anytime I upload interesting video like this. Okay, and if you like the video, do wait to smash on the like button. If you have any challenges, I will be glad if you hit it on the comment section. Okay, and if you want to join my online class, personal class, feel free to chat me on the number on the screen there. Okay, I'm going to respond to you. Please note, it's a payable class. It's not a free class. Okay, so when you're coming, know that you're going to pay. Okay, all right guys, so let's move straight to the video. Okay, like we said, we're doing the key of D. Okay, so the first passing licks was something like this. Okay, that was the first one. The second one was okay, so for many of you that didn't watch it, you can go ahead and watch this video. Okay, the third one was okay, that is the fourth one. That was the fourth one. Okay, so let's play a song, one of my instrumental I created. Okay, and let's see how it's gonna sound. Okay. Stuff like that. Okay, now you see stuff like that. You just time when the chord progression is going to the one chord, or probably the third chord. Okay, just figure it out then. Okay, we go again.
Jesus, you be my best friend. And the line to the waka with you. You know the line, you know the play.
Yeah, that's why you play.
And the line to the waka with you.
Okay, so that's it. For the fourth lick, you can come in that way. Stuff like that. And play stuff like that. Okay. I like using it a lot when I'm resolving to my one chord. So for many of you that didn't watch the lesson, let me just do a quick breakdown. So this was a mi, va, mi, re, mo, mi, va, mi, re, mo, mi. Okay. Jesus, you be my baby, and the dancing they walk with you. Da 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 me, da da da. Okay, stop. You know the song now. Jesus, you be my best friend. I'd like to day walk out with you. You know that I know they play me while you. Okay. Redo la tortilla. You know that I know they play me while you. I'd like to. Okay. That plays at the same. I don't like to. Okay, I don't like to. I don't like to walk up. I don't like to. Once you hear, I don't like to. Okay, so that's it. Once the song is resolving, just like someone singing, something like a. No, let's just forget about stuff like that. Let's take songs like kind of a bit makosa and stuff like that, or kind of a bit high life. Okay. Okay, if you can play stuff like that. When the song is on va, once the song is on va, go into the song, you just play. Now, la do la toti la so va re mo mi va re mo mi. This me represent a do chord. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Very simple. So you can just play a song, and if you need the instrumental, do where to chat me up, do where to message me. I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to give you the link so you can get it. Then you use it to practice also on your convenience time, okay? So let's play once again. Okay, so that's it, guys. So wherever you don't understand, do wait to hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible, okay? All right, guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.